What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I was walking around the store. Okay, yes, it was Target. I can't stay away. But I saw new dolls called Unicorn Academy. It's a TV series on Netflix where Sophia, this girl, gets invited to what she thought was a normal riding academy. But it's not. They have unicorns. And that's about as much as I understand watching only 10 minutes of the first episode. Sorry, I switched to the Vampire Diaries. Hello, Damon. But Unicorn Academy just started season 2 on Netflix, so you can check it out. I'm pretty much here for the dolls. Priced at $16.99, it looks like we're getting some articulation, and they have fabric clothes. I mean, they're not plastic or painted on, which is already a plus in my book. Although I am seeing some raw edges. There are other dolls and items in this line. Some are smaller figures. I think their clothes were sculpted. They have unicorns, and on Amazon, I think I saw a dress-up doll with like a gown. See, it's a 9.5-inch doll, and it looks like the legs are purple. On the Target app, it says that this is a 12-inch doll, but I don't know. She looks a little shorter to me. Let's take this doll out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, can I balance this doll to stand? Yes, I can. This doll is made by Spin Master and stands around 9.5 inches tall. The hair is pretty soft. It might need a little attention out of the box. I can feel a little product in the front. This doll has brown hair with blue, yellow, and purplish pink highlights. It has a little curl at the ends. She has large brown eyes. The printing style looks similar to Rainbow High Littles. The eyes are glossy. The eyebrows are shiny. This doll has freckles that are also shiny, as well as a little bit of a shimmer to her skin, and it looks like the lips are pixelated. It's not terrible, but I am eagerly awaiting the day when this method is no longer used. Oops, did I just say that out loud? Where were we? Oh yes. She has a pink lip color. We can see a little bit of her teeth. This doll comes with a gold-like jacket. It has raw edges with a stitch near the edge. There is a colorful shirt attached to it with raw edges at the bottom. The shirt and the jacket are one piece and they Velcro in the back. She wears purple leggings with stars. They have a raw edge at the ankle. She comes with a plastic purple necklace with a white star, purple gloves that are removable. The gloves are super stretchy and I can get them on a Barbie. She has a pink belt with gold painted stars, wears gold boots with painted laces. They are split in the back, so it's a little easier to get them on and off the dolls. And we get a gold colored brush. It has a sculpted unicorn design. It kind of looks like a brush for grooming horses, but we can totally use it to shape those curls. This doll has pretty good rotation at the neck. She can look up, down, tilt the head to the side, to the other side, turn back and forth, move at the shoulder, at the elbow. On this doll, one of her arms are a little tight for some reason. The doll can move at the hip, got good rotation, and bend at the knee. Not bad. A little wrist articulation would have been great because this doll has a pretty nice range of motion. I picked up the other two fashion dolls also at Target for $16.99. Here is Isabelle and Ava, who has a different body type. Her legs are a little thicker. She has a large toothy grin. Her hair color is kind of like an eggplant with purple and turquoise highlights. She wears a pink shirt with ruffle sleeves under a scalloped top that has ribbon straps. It's all one piece and Velcros in the back. She wears pink to pale yellow ombre riding pants that Velcro in the back with green gloves and magenta boots with gold painted details. She also comes with a brush, and it's the same color as her boots. Again, this doll's hair is pretty soft. She has 2 pink flower hair clips and the same articulation as Sophia. Can we balance her to stand? Yes. Yes, we can. Oh yeah. And she has a pink belt with a gold painted butterfly. Isabelle has blonde hair pulled up into a ponytail with a bright blue streak right in the front. She has a very slight smile with green eyes, wears a long sleeve multicolored jacket over a metallic blue tank top with a cutout. The jacket and the tank top are 2 separate pieces, and the top velcros in the back. She wears blue riding pants with a design on the side, iridescent salmon pearly shoes with white painted details in the front. She has a hairbrush to match her shoes, and blue gloves. I want to say she has a similar body type to Ava, but I could be wrong. She could be somewhere between Ava and Sophia. But I like that right from the start we're seeing different body types. And I wonder if they can share clothes. Here's Monster High G3 Cleo in Sophia's outfit. It's a pretty decent fit. The pants are just a little short. Here's Sophia in Cleo's outfit. The top is an easy fit, and we have a little room in the shorts. Can Ava and Draculaura swap clothes? Draculaura's outfit is a pretty easy fit on the Unicorn Academy doll. However, the stockings are a little long. This doll does have a wider ribcage than Draculaura, but the clothes still seem to fit. Well, this outfit does. On Draculaura, Ava's top is a little loose and the leggings are a little snug, but doable. What about a rainbow high dress? Here's the dress on Isabelle. It's a decent fit, a little loose, but not too bad. Here she is in Skylar's outfit. I was able to get it on. It is a little loose. What about Love doll clothes? Here is Sophia wearing London's core outfit. It wasn't too difficult to get on, however you might need a plastic bag to get the hands through. But it's a pretty decent fit. Here's Ava wearing Brooke's core outfit. The top was a little snug, but I was able to get the Velcro to attach in the back. And the pants are a good length. However, even with plastic, I wasn't able to get this jacket past her hands. Here's Isabelle wearing Autumn's fashion pack. The skirt is a little snug and it keeps riding up, and I wasn't able to close the top in the back. Well, not all the way. Here's Sophia in London's fashion pack. It's a decent fit, however, it was a little bit of a challenge to get the hands through the sleeves. I tried Sophia in Brooke's outfit. It's a little loose, but works. However, I still couldn't get the jacket on. Are there any head swapping possibilities? I have a cup of hot water. Let's place a Rainbow High Littles doll in a plastic bag, then into the hot water, along with the doll Ava, who has a thicker neck than Sophia, but Ava can fit Rainbow High clothes. So when the head softens, let's remove it and try to add the Rainbow High head. The neck hole is a little small, so right now her neck is very long. Let's see if I can push it down a little bit more. I couldn't really get it to do what I wanted, so this is kind of the look. I switched them back. What about a Disney princess? This is the Mattel Sleeping Beauty. She's not an exact match for Isabelle, but let's give it a try. The head fits with no problem. I can move it around and there is no bobblehead. The proportions aren't too bad considering her head is about the same size, and this doll comes out to be about 9.5 inches tall. This time I used a Stacie doll. I like it better than the Stacie Love doll hybrid. This body does have less articulation than the Love doll, but it's also close to half the price. The color match is not perfect, but I would probably do it anyway. After the Stacie doll, I had to try a Barbie. This is one of the mermaids, and the skin tone with Ava is a near perfect match. This doll is going to be pretty short compared to a Barbie, but with the face shape, I don't mind it. However, she is a little bit of a bobblehead. Let's take the hanger off of a Barbie fashion pack, cut off the little circle, cut down the side so it can open, add it to the neck peg, then reattach the head, And it worked! The bobble is gone. Oh my goodness, I love it with a Bratz. This doll is pretty close to the height of a Bratz doll, but with a different body type. No bobblehead. It totally works for me. I dressed her in some rainbow high fashion. The top fits perfect, the jacket's a little long for the arms, and the skirt is a tiny bit loose. But I'm still gonna do it. Yeah, the Bratz doll is totally my favorite. This skin tone is not a perfect match, but I think it's doable. I dressed our Barbie hybrid in a G3 Draculaura outfit. The top is a little snug, but I was able to close the Velcro in the back, and the skirt is a great fit. At $16.99, Unicorn Academy gives us dolls with 9 points of articulation. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few dolls and did a few head swaps. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.